Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Mama Triple and as usual, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, for the support. I appreciate you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this delicious riro soup. Trust me, this soup is easy to prepare and also very healthy. Don't miss this video for anything, and also help me to share it with everyone you know. Thank you and enjoy watching. So here are my meats: shaki, momo, intestine, beef. I also have some fish which I'm going to add later on. First of all, I'm going to boil the meat. I'm going to add ginger, onions, salt, thyme, and also some Maggie cubes as well. And guys, as you can see, I didn't add water to my meat. Okay, I'm going to let it cook like this, because when it starts boiling, the water will come out itself. You don't have to add water to it if you want all the stuff to really go in the meat, like for your meat to be tasty. You have to do it like this: stir together, mix properly, and then put it on fire and let it start cooking. So as you can see here, after cooking for some minutes, look at the water. You see all the water came out by itself. So this is how you are supposed to be adding your water bit by bit, like gradually. So here I'm going to add the smoked fish to it just for taste. So I have my Scotch bonnet pepper, onions, paprika, and tomatoes. I'm going to blend it. I'm not going to let it be too smooth. Okay, so after that, I have my already washed and sliced spinach, which I'm going to, as you can see, I'm adding hot water to it. Today I'm going to use another method. So I let that water boil very well, and then I added it to the spinach, and I'm just going to stir properly, like stir together like this till I have that softness in the spinach. So here also my meat is ready. I'm going to start frying now. And like I'm going to start frying the sauce. Like I'm going to start with the sauce. So in the pot, I'm going to add my red oil. And after letting it hot a little, I added a little amount of salt. Then my onions, of course, which I don't miss for anything. And of course also my crayfish. I love crayfish in food. It is wow, like the taste, the aroma is just everything. So after letting it fry for like 20 to 30 seconds, I added my mixed pepper. That's the paprika, onions, and tomatoes. So after letting it cook for a little, I'm going to add the Maggie cube and of course stir very well. And after that, I'm going to cover the pot and let it cook for, let's say, another 10 to 15 minutes. And guys, as you can see, after 10 to 15 minutes, look at how it looks. Look at this. You see the oil is at the bottom already. So now I'm going to add all my meat to the pot, and after doing that, I'm going to now add my spinach to the pot. Guys, look at this now. Doesn't this look so beautiful and inviting? Of course it does. Of course. I love this riro soup because the method I use is just everything. So now I'm going to start adding my spinach to it. As you can see, because of the hot water that I put on the spinach, you see it has changed color and it's like a bit soft. Okay, it's like almost cooked already. So now I'm going to stir very, very carefully and properly. And look at this, guys. Oh my god, I just love this soup. This soup is just everything. This soup is delicious. It's everything. You can eat it with rice, pounded yam, whichever thing you want. It's very okay. So as you can see now, I'm going to add the other crayfish that I used earlier, and add a little, very little amount of water. You can also skip this process if you don't want to add water at all. I want mine to be like a little bit how will I say, not too thick, okay? Like I like the sauce to be a little bit light, okay? So that's why I added a little amount of water. So I tasted it and the salt was not enough, so I added a little amount of salt to it, and then of course I'm going to stir together. And guys, that's it. So I'm going to just let it cook for like 2 to 3 minutes, and yes, that's it. The soup is ready. My riro soup is ready. Guys, look at this. Do not forget to subscribe if you have not, and also please, when subscribing, click also on the bell icon so that you get notification anytime I post a new video. And please, if you love this recipe, you love my channel, don't keep it to yourself. Help me to spread the news. Help me to keep sharing, please, till everybody see this channel. So yes, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video from the start till the end, and please don't also forget to leave your comments in the comment section, and also give me a thumbs up if you find this video, of course, very interesting and helpful. Thank you guys so much, and I'll say bye for now and see you in my next video. Bye.